Chad! How are you, Chatty?
Good to see you.
Good to see you. Welcome. Matt's not here yet, so I was just going outside and making some video of our favorite places on Earth. Yes, we went to Belvedere last night and it was wonderful.
They were closed for, they tried to open. I actually had a takeout cocktail on the last day they were open. That was like back in May. But I think they wanted to focus their time down on the one downtown, I think.
Oh, and there's Matt.
Josephine's.
Chat.
Which is nice too.
Well, I'm so excited to see you guys and to get some Alley Kat.
I like that's a little different.
Yeah, it is. But I'm sure the food's the same.
Aesthetically and crowd-wise. But I think it looks cool.
Thank you.
Chocolate stout on
I know, look at you.
Oh, I love it.
I have perpetual in my bottle. Do you want a glass?
Yes.
Hello?
One thing I do love is always pouring in.
Do you guys want separate checks?
We're together.
Yeah, I got that, and then you guys want
He's
separate.
not my favorite. Yeah,
No, I know.
No. Imagine.
What are you drinking? I love your mask. That is so cute.
Oh my goodness.
We do have a Yards double ice.
Oh my God, that looks amazing.
Well, thank you.
Okay.
Look how skinny you are. You haven't been eating that.
Yes, I have.
You look
I
great.
cut the crust off, the burny part from the sides, and that's what
You do look skinny. You are slender. And you look fabulous as
I
well.
look fat as always.
No, you look fabulous.
Gained it all this week.
Yeah, well, I mean,
It's vacation.
Where did you? Yeah, it is vacation. You're allowed on vacation to do that.
Where